We're in the Gold Coast at 1350 North State. It's a historic 3-story building. Take a look at the neighborhood and I'll see you upstairs. Welcome to Unit 3S. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo with 2,500 square feet of living space. From the main living areas of the home, there's a beautiful barrel-vaulted hallway that leads back to the bedrooms. One of the nice features of being on the top floor is that you have skylights in this home, which bring in additional natural light. Another great aspect to this home is that it comes with roof rights. If the new owner decides to, they have the option of building a roof deck.